This isn't just dinner, it's a flavor explosion. Crispy Parmesan potatoes, tender green beans, juicy air fried salmon, and mango butter sauce. It's so good. Let's make the most delicious plate you'll eat all week.
Nah, I never really had salmon with mango before, but like it's a good little contrast, and like the char on top of the salmon too, it blends real nice.
Oh my God, so buttery. Really gently seasoned. The Parmesan formed a crust. Salmon was seasoned perfectly. With the sweetness of the mango adding to it, wow. Delicious. Let's get cooking. So here we are, we're gonna make a quick salmon dinner, but in the air fryer. So everything is gonna be really done all in the air fryer by you. You're just gonna put together your seasoning on your food and then put it in the air fryer. And so we have some baby potatoes here. Now, these are yellow potatoes. You can use whatever potatoes. So I just have some melted butter here and I have some garlic in it. And I'm gonna season it with some onion powder. Now all the ingredients will be listed for you in measurements. And here are a list of ingredients. Garlic powder, even though I have some fresh garlic as well. Still want to add a little bit of Cajun seasoning. Some everything bagel. That's a little different, I'm sure. It tastes really good. A little black pepper. Little Himalayan salt. And I'm just going to give this a nice mix. Stir everything up all together. Make sure it's fully coated with the butter. You can add more butter if you like, but just want to make sure everything is fully coated. And then I'm going to put it in my air fryer basket. So I have my green beans. I'm actually going to put them in the microwave for a few minutes. I have a little bit of chicken broth, just so it can steam up well, and melted butter. And I'm gonna add my flavoring, just basic garlic powder, onion powder, some black pepper, and Himalayan salt. And I'm gonna mix this all together. Make sure everything is all fully seasoned. And then put it in the microwave for a few minutes. Or you could do it on the stovetop. I'm just thinking about quick, relaxing. So I'm actually gonna put my potatoes in the air fryer now. And once I'm almost done with the process of roasting my potatoes, I'm gonna put some shaved Parmesan on it and a little sweet treat of bacon. So I have a little bit of acid here, which is a little bit of lemon juice, which is the acid that I'm choosing to use because it is seafood. So now some people don't like the skin, they remove it. I sometimes like it depending what mood I'm in, sometimes I don't. But it could be a nice healthy snack. So in this case, I'm going to leave it. And I am just going to season with some salmon seasoning. So just kind of massage it everywhere so nothing's missing and it's fully seasoned. And then we're going to put a little bit of Old Bay here. Tad bit of garlic powder. And some black pepper. And by the way, everything bagel is also delicious on this fish. So if that's something that you choose to try. And I'm going to put that in our air fryer. And that's it. You got 15 minutes to yourself now. So I'm just going to add some of our shaved Parmesan here and just put it back in the air fryer for 3 to 5 minutes, just so it can kind of like stick on here. But it was looking pretty good, pretty good. Okay. Here's our vitamin content. Well, Gio, look at our wonderful salmon. I guess we're a little fancy, smanchy, gourmet, you know, quick 30-minute dish we put together in the air fryer here. And just jazzed it up with a little bacon and mango butter sauce. So, Mr. Resident Taste Tester, taste us out here.
Well, it looks real good. Can't wait to try with the mango on it.
Okay.
Nah, I never really had salmon with mango before, but like, it's a good little contrast, and like the char on top of the salmon too, it blends real nice.
Oh my God, so buttery. Really gently seasoned. The Parmesan formed a crust. Let me get into my green beans. I'm kind of doing things in reverse. And I got a piece of my bacon, because everything tastes better with a little bacon. Love the green beans. It has an ultimate nice crunch, because it still has a great firmness to it. And the salmon, let's see, the mango. Wow. Salmon was seasoned perfectly with the sweetness of the mango adding to it. Wow. Delicious. You guys can make yourself a quick, relaxing, gourmet looking dinner in like 30 minutes. Season everything.
Tastes just as good as it looks too.
Put it in your air fryer if you own one. And if you have the dual air fryer like I have, you can unalive 2 birds with 1 stone. You won't regret it. Thank you so much for hanging out with Gio and I. And we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Remember, be good to yourself. Subscribe for more delicious recipes and vitamin details. Also, your support will continue to allow my channel to grow.